Do you want to know how you can log into your UAN account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your UAN account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for UAN login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of UAN. So go ahead and write down your UAN name or number over here, write down your password and write down the captcha which is over here. It can be tricky, so if you are really confused you can see this reload option, so you can do it as many times as you want, and if the thing is easy for you, go ahead and click sign in after you write the captcha over here. So all you need to do is open UAN's official page, which is this over here. Write down your UAN and then write down your password. Write down the captcha which is over here in this box and then click sign in. This way you can sign into your UAN account. And if you want to reset everything you wrote, go ahead and click reset and you can see that all of this will be removed as well. If you have in case forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click on this link and then you can recover your password easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your UAN account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.